Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. There's lots of easy signals and pattern setups on a candlestick chart that allow you to anticipate the next price move, or more importantly, already be mentally prepared for trading into something much more quicker than everybody else is going to get into a position. As we saw today, the Dow traded positive. It doesn't really have a bullish signal other than the fact that it's supported here on the 50. But this lack of a bullish signal kind of confirms the breakout of the NASDAQ still trading higher, or the S&P 500 up until today was just a lethargic, sideways, crummy looking trading area until they broke it out through this breakout level, giving us much more indication that the bulls have taken control. This is why we always offer this 2-week free trial, because everything that is built into a candlestick chart is merely logic or common sense that the Japanese rice traders have built into a graphic depiction. So what makes the big money is knowing what patterns are setting up. Our recommendation on PLTR today was based upon this J-hook pattern, and notice how the T-line becomes a very effective support level for telling you exactly where the bulls are stepping back in. Buying on positive trading today, breaking out through this area, doing a J-hook pattern, puts you in situations where the probabilities of being in a strong price move is extremely good. Now, we may not know why that's happening. The result was Kathy Wood was buying this stock. So essentially, you don't need to know why the buyers are coming in. All we have to do is see that the buyers are coming in. So you can use that as an upstart. Notice how it did a bobble breakout. That's a J-hook pattern that breaks out through a resistance level that everybody else is watching, producing high probability direction. And the magnitude of that move is much greater than just merely an uptrending stock in an uptrending market. So utilizing the candlestick signals, like a left-right combo, told us they weren't going to take Netflix back down below the T-line. And then when it gapped up today, especially through this level, that was a strong indication or confirmation that this left-right combo was working. That signal was producing that if they opened positive, you wanted to be buying, and if they opened positive through a resistance level, it was that much more compelling that the strength had come back into that price move. So what we're going to be teaching Saturday, May 20th, is how you anticipate or be ready to be buying when everybody else is not yet getting enthusiastic. So you can see how AI, after a pullback for a few months, supported right smack dab off the 200. A little buy signal and a close above the T-line, and then you had your trend kicker breakout telling you the bulls were definitely in control. I always reiterate in these sessions that this is not rocket science. This is the graphic depiction of what everybody else is doing that the Japanese rice traders have illustrated to us for hundreds of years of what the normal reaction of investor sentiment is doing. So anytime we can see that pattern set up, it gives us the inclination to get ready to be coming into this trade because of this buildup of this J-hook pattern. Or as we saw in Meta, we have a J-hook pattern or a fry pan bottom supporting right on the T-line, right here at the breakout area. What would be anticipated? That this uptrend is still in progress and there's going to be much more upside. So join us Saturday for a full day training where you get a lot of insights, not necessarily the signals and patterns themselves, but anticipating when those signals and patterns are starting to set up for a new price move. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.